Hi everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in today's recipe. I'll be showing you how to make apple crisp. To make this apple crisp recipe, we're going to start by peeling our apples. You can decide to leave the peels on, but I'm just going to go ahead and peel mine. Also slice the apple and remove the seeds. So I'm going to slice this to about 1/4 inch thick. And once I'm done slicing and coring the apples, I'm just going to dump them in lemon water. This will prevent the apples from further browning. And I will now continue peeling the rest of the apples. And once you're done with all the apples, you can drain off the water completely. So you go ahead and bring the sliced apples into a mixing bowl. So I ended up using 5 large lady pink apples. And to this, I'll be adding 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Stir this very well with a spatula and make sure all the apples are evenly coated. Grease your baking dish with some butter. Now transfer the apple mixture into the greased pan. And level it to make it even. You can set the filling aside and proceed to making the toppings. In a separate mixing bowl, combine 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, and also add in 1/2 stick of cold diced butter. I'm using unsalted butter. Now you're going to stir this and let the butter combine with the rest of the ingredients. Once your topping is sticky and crumbly just like this, you can pour it over the apple mixture. Spread this evenly to cover all the fruits. If you like, you can add some roasted pecans or walnuts to your toppings. They are also delicious. You can now bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. After 40 to 50 minutes of baking your apple crisp, you'll notice it bubbling on the side of the dish, and the topping is also golden as well. You can take this out of the oven and leave it to cool slightly. And now our yummy apple crisp has cooled down. It's time to enjoy this with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Just go ahead and place your ice cream in the middle. This is just the best way to enjoy apple crisp. I hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think about this easy dessert recipe. And please remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. Until next time guys, enjoy your meal. Bye for now.